Hey, my name is Jack Horner, and we had our bathroom, I would say more than remodeled. Our bathroom was completely redone by Bullrun, and the main objective was we had a bathtub. Both of us just like showers. We didn't, want a bathtub. We have another bathroom that has a bathtub in it, so we decided to convert this and just have a large shower. Met with Hockham. I had some design ideas. He definitely improved on them and came up with some other ideas that we ended up going with. And this is the final product. They started the project. Sam was their project manager. He was very, very good. And the worker bees was Grover and Alex, which were, both of them were fantastic. While they were working, if there was ever any problem or a question about how to do something, they always asked you or came to you and said, hey, this is what we're gonna do, or we could do it this way or this way. Which way would you rather have it done? Which was great, keeping us involved in the process. The process moved along pretty smoothly. We're very, very happy with the outcome. They were good people to work with. I definitely recommend Bullrun. Thanks.